Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to find the server time, the current server time, using the function TimeCurrent. In this case I'm defining a variable named current time. It's going to hold this information, and here is print statement. I'm using this function to convert the time to string, passing the current time as parameter and converting it to date and minutes. If I go to MetaTrader and run this script, you can see that the current server time is this date and this time. And you can see that here on the market watch, this is the same time as we have it here. This is the server time, or the time when the last tick was received by the terminal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.